We speak student.
Personal Finance 101. Banking on the banks. A la Shmoop.
So now we've talked a lot about kind of the abstract, bigger picture stuff. Let's bring it back to some practical advice for students. Let's say I get $100, a combination birthday money, allowance, etc. Why is it better, so I hear, to put it in a bank account than to put it under my mattress?
There are a whole bunch of reasons that you'd want to set up a bank account in high school. The biggest is that you begin to establish a discipline of saving. So the idea of someone saving $100 a month or some period of time, if you do the math, over time, at a young age, if you start, it compounds to a very big number. So if we go back to the rule of 72, and let's say you put it in the bank for $100 a month, and it compounds in a bank account at 2% a year, well, you're not going to make that much money in interest over time, but at least you will have saved money. By the different token, if you put it in the stock market, you bought $100 worth of an index fund every month, so that you were saving $1,200 a year, and each year you mowed the lawn and you babysat and whatever else you do to make money. Over time, it ends up being a lot of money, because over long periods of time, the stock market goes up about 10% a year. A little bit less depending on when you do the starting point, but if you started about 1880, when maybe the Dow is probably a good example of when things really started to get tracked, and you reinvest your dividends, and for now you ignore taxes because the tax rate for people not earning much money is very low, you'd end up with an enormous amount of dough. So just that initial $1,200 that you put in, if you apply the rule of 72 and 10%, would double in 7.2 years. So that's on that 1 year. But if then the next year and the next year and the next year and the next year you're putting in $1,200, it compounds to some huge numbers. And take a look at what $100 a month gets you at 10% a year return if you do it every month for 5 years, from age 16 to 21, which a lot of people can probably shake out. By the time you're 60, that's a lot of money. It means you get to buy your Porsche or whatever dream things that you wanted to do. So the $100 on its own doesn't mean that much per se, but the $100 as a compounded thing that you would disciplinedly do every month, boy, that can get you easy wealth.
Why is it better to put $100 in a bank account than under a mattress?